you coming in too, Daniel?
And
You're away.
And
Enjoy.
buttons are placed. Capacity is put into the gate 19 kilograms. Buttons replace. Indicator.
Is it generic, Daniel?
No, it isn't a generic. It is a old OTIS 3, 4.
So it's not a series 2.
No, it is. Awesome old OTIS, isn't it? At least we have a good one.
Yeah.
There, the button go out. And that, and that is the other lift here. And now, and across this lift is an awesome old lift. We should take a look at it, Dad.
Yeah, well, we're going to look at your phone.
And first of all, we'll take a look at the apartment.
Okay, you press the button for that.
Let's see. Let's see what type of lift this is.
I'm going to look in.
I don't know if this was in a door. And look inside. Oh, so about that. Taking a long time. This might be a and that is the lift. We'll take a look inside of it later. But you can go down. That is the gate lift with the buttons and whatsoever. This is not the lift we're doing now. But we can take a look at it on the ground floor, folks.
I was a bit worried about gated.
Yeah, I've actually got gated phobia.
Yeah.
Oh, and we just lost it. You know what? Did you really fix the
Not too loud, not too loud. Think of
Oh, yeah.
the autistic.
Oh. And hate it.
Yeah.
Well, I really do. I hate them. Yeah.
How did you learn about lift?
Well, just read
You can go on YouTube and there's all these tours you can do. So you can go all around England and America and little lift tours.
And
The whole pile of other
Australia
people with the same
too.
fascination.
And Norway.
Amazing.
I'm not gonna. We stop on 5th floor to
Been
pick
to
up
Norway.
passengers, folks. And yes, we do have some passengers, and the lift does stop here. Oops, sorry if I got you on camera. So sorry.
Just getting them.
Maybe I could just block
Not
you
too
off
loud,
when I put
not
it on
too loud.
YouTube. Let's see if it stops on the ground floor.
Hopefully it does.
Stopping at 2nd floor to pick up more passengers. Oh no! The gate lift has stopped at the 2nd floor. Yay! Yep, the gate lift stopped at the 2nd floor.
That's quite handy, isn't it?
It's race time.
Not too loud.
Who will come first? This lift or the gate lift? And
This is going to be time.
the gated lift wins! Well, actually, this is a service that's by the looks of it, which is so annoying, and that's the